Look at Grandpa's rain hat.
Hey, baby girl.
Isn't that the cutest thing you ever saw?
I'm adoptable.
We have such fun here. He's getting it when it rains. I know Grandpa will
I
be
did
here.
my new teeth today.
Oh, he kisses. Oh, look, he looks like a hillbilly there. Show him that again. One more time.
Oh, baby.
I got one missing right here, and I can't get one. So anyhow, it's a good day today. I love rainy days, because I know I'll get to see Grandpa. Talk to you later. Y'all behave yourselves.
What are you laughing at?
We have fun here. Bye-bye.
Bye.